Your breath is the most fundamental tool you possess. For influencing your mind and body, it is a constant, rhythmic process that happens without your conscious thought, yet when you choose to guide it, you unlock a profound ability to change your internal state. Many of us live with chronic, low-level stress, which often manifests as fast, shallow breathing through the mouth. This seemingly small habit sends a continuous signal of alarm to your nervous system, keeping you in a state of fight or flight. It can make you feel anxious, scattered, and tired. Learning to breathe correctly is not about adding a complex new skill. It is about returning to a natural, more efficient way of being that your body already knows. By simply slowing down your breath and breathing through your nose, you can send a powerful message of safety and calm to your brain. This simple shift can lower your heart rate, reduce stress hormones like cortisol, and bring your nervous system back into a state of rest and recovery. This is where true clarity and focus are born. When your body is not busy managing a perceived threat, your mind is free to think more clearly, solve problems more effectively, and access creative insights. To begin, find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor and your spine straight. Or you can lie down on your back. It is important that your posture allows your diaphragm, the primary breathing muscle, to move freely. Gently close your mouth and commit to breathing only through your nose. Nasal breathing is crucial because it filters the air. Nasal breathing warms the air. Nasal breathing humidifies the air. Nasal breathing also helps you to breathe more slowly and deeply. Before starting any specific technique, take a moment to simply observe your natural breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen without trying to change anything. This initial step of awareness is the foundation for all that follows. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen without trying to change anything. This initial step of awareness is the foundation for all that follows. The first technique is box breathing, a powerful tool for calming the mind and stabilizing emotions. It is used by everyone from Navy SEALs to yoga practitioners. The structure is simple and symmetrical, which helps to regulate an erratic nervous system. Begin by gently exhaling all the air from your lungs through your nose. Then, silently count to 4 as you inhale slowly through your nose. At the top of the inhale, hold your breath for a count of 4. Then, exhale smoothly through your nose for a count of 4. Finally, hold the breath out at the bottom of the exhale for a count of 4. This completes one box. Repeat this cycle for 3 to 5 rounds, keeping the breath light and effortless. Now let's combine these simple techniques into a powerful 5-minute sequence you can do right now. This practice will ground you, calm you, and leave you with clear, focused energy. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed for 5 minutes. Sit comfortably, spine straight, but relaxed. Set a gentle timer if you wish. Allow your eyes to close or soften toward the floor. Place your hands on your lap or one hand on your belly to feel your breath. Let go of what you were doing and bring full attention to this moment. First minute, notice your breath. Do not try to control it. Be an observer. Breathe naturally through your nose. Feel cool air at your nostrils. Follow it down into your lungs. Notice your belly rising. Notice your ribcage expanding. Feel the soft release on the exhale. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breath. Anchor your awareness in the present moment. For the next 2 minutes, transition into box breathing. Gently exhale. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Complete about 3 to 4 rounds per minute. Let the rhythm be steady and soothing. Imagine tracing a perfect square with each breath. This quiets mental chatter and slows your heart rate, bringing balance and order to your inner world. This calms your nervous system. For the final 2 minutes, we will shift gears. Practice 4-7-8 for 2 cycles. Inhale 4. Hold 7. Exhale 8. Feel the deep release with each long exhalation. Inhale 3. Exhale 3. All through the nose. The profound effects of these simple breathing exercises are not magic. They are rooted in the intricate biology of your nervous system. Your body has an autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary functions like your heart rate, digestion, breathing. This system has two main branches: the sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight; the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest. Many people are stuck in chronic sympathetic activation, elevating stress hormones, raising blood pressure, and causing mental fatigue. Slowing breathing and extending exhales directly stimulates the vagus nerve, a brake pedal for your stress response. Heart rate and blood pressure decrease, muscles relax, and the brain shifts from high-alert anxiety to calm awareness. Box breathing's equal-sided pattern creates physiological coherence, syncing heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. It quiets the amygdala and strengthens the prefrontal cortex for focus and emotional regulation. Gentle, energizing breath increases oxygenation without hyperventilation, lifting alertness without agitation. The true power of breathwork is in consistent daily practice. Commit to just 5 minutes each morning to set a new baseline of calm and clarity. Link it to habits you already do so it sticks. To conclude, let go of technique and return to your natural breath. Notice how you feel and do it again tomorrow. Start now.